What if I told you that while most of the world is stuck in traffic, one African nation just skipped the line and flew? Yesterday in Kigali, Rwanda, during Aviation Africa 2025, a fully autonomous flying taxi took to the sky, publicly. The aircraft? EHang's EH216S, no pilot, 2 seats, 16 rotors, all electric. This wasn't a stunt, it was a statement. Rwanda isn't just joining the future, they're leading it. Why Rwanda and not New York, Tokyo, or Dubai? Because execution beats talk. While others debated rules, Rwanda built them. Fast, clear, and safety first. This is the same country that normalized medical drone delivery years ago, cutting hours off life-saving trips to minutes. Let's talk what this thing can do. The EH216S is designed to cruise around 130 kilometers per hour, with a city-hopping range that turns a 45-minute traffic grind into a 5-minute flight. Redundant motors, triple redundant flight controls, real-time monitoring. If one system fails, others take over. And the bigger picture? Rwanda's building an ecosystem, training engineers and controllers, planning vertiports and charging pads, crafting air traffic rules made for autonomous flight. Not retrofitting the old, designing for what's next. Africa has 17% of the world's population, but a tiny slice of paved roads. Three-dimensional mobility changes that math. Faster commutes, faster logistics, faster emergency response. Are there challenges? Of course. Battery range, weather, public trust, all real. But progress happens in steps, and this public flight was step one of a methodical rollout. Demos, limited routes, then scaling as tech and confidence grow. Here's the takeaway. The future won't just belong to the biggest economies, it'll belong to the boldest executors. Rwanda just raised its hand. Would you ride a pilotless flying taxi? Drop a comment. If this opened your mind, tap like, subscribe for more future tech, and I'll see you in the next one.